So today we have a fun new accessory to play with at Skoolie Stays. All our Fandango Fire Tools have arrived and finally we've got good weather, so we are heading to the Skoolie to set things up so that the guests can crack their own kindling and get a good fire started for winter. Oh, that's really heavy! No wonder it is made of cast iron. Let's have a look and see what's inside. So we got in touch with Fandango because we wanted to find a solution for cutting firewood that was a little bit safer. So we have the Kindling King, which also came with a mallet and some eco fire lighters. Fandango also sent us a huge round of wood so that we could attach our Kindling Cracker to the top using 4 screws and washers. Okay, we're all set up, so Guy is going to crack our first piece of wood, so let's go and watch and see how he gets on.
Okay, first bit of wood is quite a big one. With the blade. I'm just going to hold it and give it a tap just to fix it in place. There it goes, that was quite a knotty piece. That's good. Go easy.
Because the blade is protected, it means you don't need an axe, you can just use a mallet, which makes it much safer. Very satisfying. So on winter stays, we like to set up fires ready for our guests. So the Kindling Cracker is going to be perfect for that because we can make sure that the Skoolie stays toasty warm for cosy nights.
It didn't take us any time at all to get a whole basket full of kindling ready for our guests.
So let's get this fire set. We've got our box of fire lighters. Let's take a couple of those. You only need a couple. Just nestle them in. We're all ready to go.